Next one coming in for surgery. Turn this fan off for a second. Don't forget the wheel lock. That would have put us to an abrupt halt early. Dude, the bugs are killer in here. Well, Dan, would you like to introduce yourself and tell us what we've been doing to your vehicle?
Yeah.
You want me to do the intro? What's up, guys? Nick, Dan, Ben here. Streetcar Shenanigans. So we got the 67 done. We still got the 94 in progress. We got the Lightning running. You guys saw the review. So we all kind of have a project car. Mine is going to be last on the list because it's probably going to be the longest running one. But anyway, next is Dan's Cobra. 03, under 40,000 miles, clean. Got it about a year and some change ago. My dream car from when I was little, so got it after I graduated. Got it. What's the next car on the list?
Yeah, right. And started buying parts for it right away. And this is what we got. Full suspension system.
So what do we got in all these boxes?
So over here we got a whole front suspension, K-member, tubular, everything, A-arms.
I-box, obviously the
I-box
springs.
Sway bars.
Just sway bars?
Yeah. Coilovers for springs from Maximum Motorsports.
Oh, springs. Oh, okay. Coilovers are Maximum Motorsports.
Of the yes.
I see the AFCO box for the intercooler.
Heat exchange.
Catch can. Now, why are we putting another stock blower on it?
No, just poured it just a little bit, just because I'm running E85. That's the next also big.
It's E85 right now?
No.
Oh, it's
right
going
now
to be.
It's just the stock fuel system going to.
So the E85 fuel system's in here?
Right here. Full 4 innovations with ID 1050X injectors.
Sick.
Yeah, I'm going to do E85 93 tunes.
Obviously, the red paint is for calipers because attention to detail is key.
Right. Low porter blower with a 276 and gonna do a lower as well that has not gotten here yet, but it will be. Full tilt bushing kit for the rear.
No axles yet.
No axles. We're gonna stick with stock until
they break.
I snap these and whenever I save up the money, or I have saved it up, so whenever it breaks, it'll be replaced anyway. So
now the car has been dynoed before. What does it make now?
It was 448, 447.
And obviously you're okay. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but obviously your key focus is suspension on this car as of right now.
Yes.
What kind of suspension modifications are done to it now? You have slotted drilled rotors, AFS reps, sticky tires on all 4 corners.
Yeah, 888s in the front, 555Rs in the rear, and it's just got lowering springs. That's it.
That's it. Now. Everything else is pretty much factory on it.
Cat back, but.
And what modifications? So cat back in a 293.
Yep.
And a made 450 wheel. All right. I'm pretty excited to tear into it.
Hopefully bump it up 100. We'll see.
Yeah. I think you got enough shit to do it. That's a lot of boxes. So this is what we're going to start on now. The 67 took us 3 weeks, 4 weeks to accomplish. Hopefully this takes us 2 weekends to get all the suspension stuff in.
That was also parts waiting though. That included that week.
Yeah, the 67 did. I mean, it was like part-time and we waited forever for parts. But anyway, hopefully this takes us less time, and he didn't cut any corners on ordering the nicest shit we can. So everything should bolt on. Famous last words. Put a disclaimer in here.
We're hoping.
Little Hoonigan style. Cut to the footage where I say this when we're on week 3. So anyway, stay tuned. This is our next project. We'll keep you guys updated. All right, step 1. Remove the IRS. High five.
Yes, sir. A little smoother than the wiring we're used to.
Yeah, no shit. So we got the IRS out. Now we're gonna put the full tilt boogie kit on it. We'll kind of give you guys some updates on how we do that. But we're happy to get it out. It's a big step. Now he says he wants a low mile car. Low mile car is a must when we were shopping for this 03 Cobra that he needed to have because he's wanted it forever. But he wanted a really low mile Cobra so we could fuck it up with a bunch of high performance parts. So it's got 40,000 miles and we're going to gut the whole thing out.
Less than.
I love it. I love it. This is my style. This is why we do what we do.
Yep. All fun.
Now we can start blowing this apart, cleaning, bushings. Hopefully have it back in tomorrow.
That'd be pretty good.
Our favorite part.
Yes.
Empty boxes. So we have, quick update. Got the IRS completely out and disassembled. We do not have a 36 deep, so this is all kind of one assembly. There's a full tilt. Little plug, full tilt buggy. Go back. Man, it'd be just so nice to have a couple of control arms up there and a couple control arms down here, and then one straight solid axle across, maybe some bracing.
Then I would have bought a Mach 1.
Valid point. Which is the next car on his list. Let the record show that he's looking for a Mach 1, so he's trying to get into that solid axle life. So yeah. We got a bunch of parts that need a bunch of bushings. So we're pretty much done for the night. We're gonna put the rear coilovers in because they're just hanging. Put the rear coilovers in with their Maximum Motorsports 500 pounds per inch road race shit. So we're gonna put those in because they're just hanging. And then in the morning we're gonna push all the bushings onto the IRS, clean everything, and start putting it back together. And you guys will see that right now. What time is it, Dan?
2 a.m.
Again.
My eyes are
pretty
heavy.
How many days in a row have we been up at 2 a.m.?
At least 4
this week is to start cleaning at 2, bed by 3:30ish, up at 8, and start all over again. But we got a couple Cobras in here, so life is okay. We remove the control arm bushings. We got to do the uppers, but they require notching. And since it's 3 a.m., I don't think our neighbors will like us very much for doing that right now.
Then we got the big boys over here. Heat that up to about 400 degrees. Get those out.
These are going to be sweet. It's going to be a good time right there. But it's getting there.
And power washing.
We did hit a small roadblock. The shocks, in order to be converted into coilovers,
need a special groove cut into them, to which
they don't have. Yeah. So we're kind of dicked on that.
Communication.
Yes. So that's on the list now. We have to figure out what's going to happen there, but that's okay. We're a little while away from putting rear struts in that. But that's it for the night. That wraps up day 1 on the 03 Dan's 03 Cobra build.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Case of water because it's 100 degrees out here.
Yes. Hot as so hot out.
It's unbelievably hot out here. So far it's the morning. We kind of got a late start today, but got all the bushings out of everything. We're gonna do some wire wheeling. Got to get all the rubber material out of these ones, clean up the edges on those ones. Then we're just gonna power wash everything, and it is Memorial Day weekend, so we're actually gonna go take a few hour break and go swimming because it's 96 or some shit. Yeah. So anyway, that's what we're doing, and we'll be back later tonight and hopefully get the IRS back together as our goal for the day. And then we're going to do IRS tonight, which will bring you another update before we're done. And what's the other thing we're gonna try to do tomorrow?
Drop the tank at least, fuel system, start that, just so we can get it past the IRS, we can put the IRS back up.
Right, start on the fuel system.
Yep.
So, we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, day 2 on Dan's Cobra coming to an end. We're gonna work on the rear end center section. We got a couple things we're gonna do there. We're changing to a, what cover are you putting on it?
Ford Racing Performance one.
What's on it now?
Stock.
Oh, that's just a stock cover with a brace?
Yeah, stock cover with a billet flow brace.
And then now we're getting rid of the billet flow brace?
Yep. Which will be for sale.
Okay, got some parts for sale off of an 03 Cobra, low mile stuff.
Yep.
Anyway, so we're gonna do that. We'll give you an update on that before we go to bed, but we will we're gonna do that. That's the last thing we're doing for the evening. So here's what we've been working on. Is there anything over here? What's up? Got all the bushings in it. Lower's got all the FTBR bushings in it. Delrin and aluminum. Over here,
FTBR cross-axis joints.
These babies are $85 a piece. Still kind of blows my mind. And that one needs a wheel bearing. Let's see the back of that one. We cleaned it up a lot, but you can still kind of see. I mean, it feels like junk. We replaced the other one last year, but that one needs it now. And somebody's replaced the hubs before. One of them. That one probably. But we got ARP extended studs that we're going to put in it, so that's why the studs are out of it. Stock axles are staying in it for now.
So like I said, until I break them, buy new ones.
Till we break them. We got stainless lines going on it, so those lines are garbage. And yeah. Let's just get a little sneak peek at this though. This stuff is pretty.
Tall arms.
Got some good shit in here. Yeah, let's see that. Oh no! Bent the sticker.
That's right.
Nice. You're gonna have to clean that pretty well. Beautiful.
Yep. Look good. Even though you won't see it.
We know it looks good. One day this is gonna run.
Wow.
So we're gonna work on the rear end and update you guys on that when we're done. And then what are we doing tomorrow?
Start the fuel system, I think. That's what the plan is.
Start the fuel system tomorrow. Pretty excited for that. That's gonna be some cool shit.
Some corn.
Some corn. Don't eat corn though.
No.
All right. It's got no nutritional value. It's only good. It's only good for ethanol and nothing else.
Yeah, right.
All right. We'll update you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Day 137. We're still here. Don't have any water. Starting to run low on canned goods.
Hallucinations have started.
I can't say the word either. You fucked it up and then I fucked it up too. All right. So update day.
There it is.
Day weekend shenanigans. Day 3 on the 03 Cobra build. We were on it all day yesterday. All day the day before. 2.5. We're halfway through day 3. I guess we didn't start till like 8 o'clock the first night.
Yeah.
We got a little delayed. Anyway, figure we'd bring you guys an update on what we've done so far. Yeah, let's take a look. Dan, you wanna?
Oh, we got the bushings in the subframe. Got the bushings in the lower control arms. Those are loosely on. Upper. We got the one upper partially done. We need to finish the other one. Got the diff in. Already shimmed. Not tight, but nothing's tight right now. Drop the tank.
That's the next thing we're kind of going to move on to.
And gonna go from there.
Hopefully, we're hoping that we get the tank. We're hoping that we get the tank and fuel system in, so we get the tank back in, and then maybe get the IRS in. There's a couple things that we messed up. We broke a tap off into one of them, which is not good.
Especially machine shops, nothing's open on this weekend. So.
Memorial Day, so everything we're kind of dipped.
Yeah.
But we broke a tap into one of the upper control arms to put a grease fitting in, and it's been our demise on the IRS now.
Yes.
But
sucks, but
if we get the fuel tank in, that'd be good, because then once the IRS is ready to go in, we can put that in. And we might do it without the upper arm, just because that will be the only thing that we're waiting for. It's not a big deal.
yeah, we're gonna access it from inside the car anyways.
So we're making good progress. And once we get a little bit further, you will know where we stand. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you later. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, just hit subscribe down below. We're really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and by bringing good content, hopefully we're working our way up. But I just want to say thank you for watching this video. We weren't sure where we were actually going to break this car into sections. Here's the car actually right now as it sits. Now it is done. It runs on E85. It has not been tuned yet. but you'll see the progress building up to this point in the coming videos. So we have a couple more coming up, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We decided to break this video here. The next one will be out in a couple days, but hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, let us know what you think about the build, and we'll be talking to you guys again shortly soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nick Larson of Streetcar Shenanigans, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.